संवेदना, सबसे पहले बॉलीवुड फ्लैश में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
सबसे पहले आपकी जो वेब सीरीज़ आई है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए हमें। एक पुलिस ऑफिसर का किरदार निभा रही है आप, कितना इजी और कितना डिफ़िकल्ट था आपके लिए और क्या प्रिपरेशन करनी पड़ी?
ओके, सो हम जिस शो की बात कर रहे हैं उसका नाम है कौन हू डिड इट। ये फ्लिपकार्ट ऐप पे है।
राइट।
सिक्या प्रोड्यूसर से गुरीत मुंगा नाचिन जैन, उमेश बिस सर इसके शो रनर हैं जिन्होंने अभी रिसेंटली पगलेट बनाई।
राइट।
और ये भी हमारा सीजन 2 अभी रिलीज हुआ है फ्लिपकार्ट पे। सीजन 1 केम आउट इन जनवरी दिस ईयर।
Okay.
So we started shooting for season 1 in October last year. So now I've been playing a cop for more than I think 6 months of my life. So now I'm getting very used to it.
Right.
In the beginning, of course, it was very overwhelming. क्योंकि पहले 6 महीना लॉकडाउन में कुछ किया नहीं, घर में बैठे हुए थे, and suddenly I came out of it, and I got this huge opportunity, and I got to act opposite Sushant Singh sir.
Wow.
So it was quite exciting, and I was very nervous also. But it turned out really well. And पहले सीजन में of course we were trying to find a rhythm of the whole thing, but up to by now we are halfway through season 2, so I think now I'm so used to playing a cop कि मुझे लगता है कई बार even in even when I'm not playing Inspector Malini, I'm sometimes standing in a stance. So I think it's kind of becoming second nature to me like that.
वाह। और जब आपने पुलिस ऑफिसर का किरदार यानी कि मालिनी निभाना शुरू किया, उससे पहले पुलिस के बारे में क्या सोच थी और उसके बाद क्या सोच हुई पुलिस के बारे में? अगर थोड़ा सा बताएं, क्या चेंजेस देखा आपने एज अ पुलिस?
So I mean, see, of course I'm still just acting. I'm not really doing the real things. You don't exactly know what their experiences are, but still at the same time, एक वो वाली बात होती है कि before doing this show, I used to look at them from the outside कि ठीक है, पुलिस वाले लोग हैं, and usually अगर if you're driving on the road and if you see a police person, you usually scared कि बाप रे मेरा license तो है, मेरा NOC तो है, POC तो है, and that's the kind of idea you have about them. You don't think so much about what their life is or what they go through. और हम तो बस अगर कुछ crime भी हुआ है तो बस news पे देख लिया, ठीक है, you don't sit and really think and analyze about it because it's not part of your life. And but once I started to play this cop, I think especially the first day मेरा look test हुआ था and they put me in the uniform, I had shivered down my spine because मेरा तो ऐसा कोई सपना भी नहीं था बड़े होके कुछ आर्मी ने भी ज्वाइन करना है या पुलिस में जाना है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था। तो I can't even begin to imagine कि जिनका ये childhood dream होता होगा या passion होता होगा, उनके लिए कितना exciting होता होगा। क्योंकि मेरे लिए तो ये ना भी होते हुए भी when I got into that uniform, it makes you feel dignified, it makes you feel responsible, and for the first time I think it was looking at something from inside out, and every episode we have a new crime, we are talking about killers, and we are also, because our show's format is such that we are trying to figure out who the killer is in each episode, and Sushant sir ka character or mera character are always trying to break down the mental psyche of a person and figure out who's the one who's the murderer. तो अब पहली बार हमारे पास क्राइम सीन के फोटोज होते हैं and also there are people who end up killing in such gruesome ways, or you can't even begin to imagine humans can do this. In a lot of cases, our writers, they tell us that they have real life references. I mean, it's not exactly a true story, but these are cases which have really actually happened or have some kind of reference to that.
Right.
So I think and you understand कि लोगों का job कितना difficult है, मतलब to deal with death and murder and crime and kidnapping and rape and all of that, and it's just part of your normal life. So it's fascinating what they have to do. I think it's a lot of hard work, and one thing that has happened is a huge amount of respect. अब मुझे पुलिस वाले दिखते हैं तो मुझे लगता है अरे I want to take a selfie with them.
वाह, क्या बात है। वो सच में हमारे हीरोज ही है, क्योंकि जिस तरह का काम चल रहा है अभी कोविड में, आप देख रहे हैं कि उनको लगातार बाहर जाना पड़ता है, सब लोग घर में हैं, लेकिन उनको मतलब ड्यूटी पे रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो कमिंग बैक टू सीरीज़, सुशांत जी के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? क्योंकि वो इस तरह का शो पहले भी कर चुके हैं जैसे सावधान इंडिया, तो उन्होंने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया आपके साथ इस शो के? जैसे आपने ऑलरेडी 2 सीज़न शूट किए हैं उनके साथ, तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या मतलब उनसे सीखने मिला आपको?
ये सबसे पहले तो वो इतने सीनियर एक्टर हैं। हमने जब लास्ट ईयर शूट स्टार्ट किया था तब उसी के समय उनके ट्विटर पे और सब पे उनको मैसेजेस आने लग गए. He had completed 22 years in the industry. उनकी सत्या आई थी 22 साल पहले. So just the idea like oh my god वो 22 साल से इंडस्ट्री में है and I was just standing opposite him. और again हमारे शो का फॉर्मेट ये है कि just the two of us the entire day and I am just spouting my dialogues in front of him. तो beginning में तो I was very intimidated by him. मुझे बस डर लगता था उनसे. और but no he's amazing. He's very good at what it does. It's मैंने बाकी इंटरव्यूज में भी बोला है it's a master class in acting. Just to see him perform मतलब जब कैमरा उन पे होता है मुझे क्यों से जाता है. I just keep watching him do what he does. It's beautiful. It's effortless and इतने साल इंडस्ट्री में होने के बाद भी he is so passionate and so disciplined about what he does that he can put me to shame. And so it's been a huge learning experience. और पहले डर लगता था और अब बहुत मजा आने लग गया है क्योंकि अब दोस्ती हो गई है तो अब you know he tells me about his experiences and you know अब तो मैंने क्या करने लगी मैं by season 2 क्योंकि ice had broken between us I started going back and watching his films. I went and saw Satya और जंगल. मैं ये फिल्म देख के आऊंगी फिर उनको आके पूछूंगी कि सर आपने ये रोल कैसे प्रिपेयर किया और ये थीम में क्या किया था and then he will tell me what he did at that time. And it's amazing the kind of experience he comes with and I just get to learn and वो मुझे बहुत help करते हैं. He has very brilliant suggestions and I just keep taking in everything he has to say. मेरी तो ये पढ़ाई चल रही है. So I'm very happy to.
So as an actor कौन इंस्पायर करता है beside सुशांत सिंह?
Does it have to be? It's a lot of people यार. अगर इंडियन सीन में आप बोलो तो अमिताभ बच्चन. You know I mean just the fact कि कहाँ से शुरुआत and आज भी मैंने a couple of years back I did an ad with him. He is so much older. He was older than my father and but still like you know to मुझे याद है लंच ब्रेक हो रहा था एंड डायरेक्टर सर लंच ब्रेक कर देते सर न्यू शॉट करेंगे एंड उन्होंने कहा नहीं ये वाला टेक खत्म करके करेंगे एंड आई एम लुकिंग एट हिम एंड आई एम लाइक ही इज अ स्टार. ही डजंट हैव टू डू दिस. He can call the shots but he is so disciplined. So just to see him work it was amazing and I was like if I can do like 1/10 or 1/50th of what he is doing it would be a great career. So from the top of my mind it was Amitabh Bachchan but so many people in the current crop I think Ranveer Singh. I even like what Alia is doing. I love what Deepika Padukone is doing. Taapsee Pannu, everybody. I'm like there's so many talented, hardworking people in the industry. So किसी से भी inspiration लेने का जो भी अच्छा काम कर रहा है.
Right. Also, as an मतलब debutant or new actor, any of your dream director you wanna work in future?
Dream director. कितने सारे यार कोई भी ले लो. राजकुमार हिरानी सर का नाम ले लेते हैं. फिर और किसका लेंगे इम्तियाज अली का नाम ले लेते. किसी का भी ले लो यार. All these big directors who are working right now. Anybody. Anurag Kashyap, if they can give me a chance, I will grab it.
वाह क्या बात है. और इसके अलावा जो आपने शो किया है उसमें पुलिस ऑफिसर का किरदार है. इसके अलावा क्या कुछ चल रहा है? एनी ऑफ योर अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट you'd like to share with us और ऐसा कोई जॉनर जो शेयर करना चाहे जिसमें आप काम करना चाहती हैं?
I'm newer to this Hindi web space right now, but before this I was working in Gujarati films. Right. And मैंने कुछ काम वहाँ पे already किया हुआ है, पर अब that's already done. But there's one Gujarati film जो हमने last year lockdown के पहले shoot शुरू की थी. Lockdown तक we almost finished like 80% of it. और फिर जब last year October November में चीजें खुलने लग गई थी, I went and finished. मेरा patchwork बाकी था, dubbing भी कर लिया और फिल्म को सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया है. Because makers have not started talking about it, उसके बारे में मीडिया में नहीं डाला है, so I can't exactly tell you, but I'm very excited about that character. क्या बताते हैं आपको? And it's a good subject. It's a female-oriented subject. I have a powerful character, and we are hoping that it will do well in the festival and also commercial circuit. मैं एक दिन वेट कर रही हूँ कि कब they will put out about it, because release का the main problem is the producer is waiting to release the film in theaters. Right. And they don't want to do it till things get okay. तो इसीलिए delay होते चला जा रहा है. फिल्म तो बन गई, सर्टिफिकेट आ गया है. They've started sending it out to festivals. But once that comes out, I can't wait to talk about it. But that's something I've already shot for. And I'm just in the process of signing something for, I can only say, अभी वो shoot शुरू नहीं हुआ है. I've just said yes to something, and it's for Amazon Prime, so that I'm very excited for. It's a web show.
Wow.
उसकी शूट शुरू होगी जैसे ही लॉकडाउन उठता है, so that I'm looking forward.
Right.
वो तो काम अभी करना बाकी.
राइट ऑल्सो आपने बहुत सारे गुजराती सिनेमाज में काम किया है, तो गुजराती सिनेमा बहुत ही ज़्यादा इवॉल्व हो गया है, बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे जॉनर की फिल्में और बहुत अच्छी फिल्में बना रहे हैं. जैसे मल्हार ठाकर जो कि वहाँ के सुपरस्टार है, वो भी मतलब बहुत सारी फिल्मों में काम कर रहे हैं. व्हाट डू वांट टू से अबाउट इट, जो मतलब ग्राफ ऊपर गया है गुजराती सिनेमा का?
So see, this is the thing. 5-6 years ago, no, more, a little bit more than that. Abhishek Jain made a film called Kevirite Jaish. This was almost the age around 7, 8, 9 years ago. I had just come to Bombay at that time, and I was just learning about the industry and all of that.
Right.
उन्होंने वो फिल्म बनाई, and that was a huge game changer for the Gujarati industry. उसके पहले भी गुजराती सिनेमा था, वो कुछ टाइम पहले तो बहुत अच्छा सिनेमा बनाया, and then बीच में the graph kind of went down. It was there, but people were not into it. At least people of my generation or around me were not really into Gujarati cinema. मुझे भी पता नहीं था, मैंने भी फिल्में नहीं देखी थी. I grew up in Gujarat, but I did not know much about it. And but उस फिल्म के बाद एक turning point आया. So literally Abhishek Jain is to be credited for the change that he brought in. And उसके बाद he made a second film called Beyar, जिसमें I acted with Pratik Gandhi, with Govind Dave and all of these people.
Wow.
Which was a huge hit. And at that time I remember उसके just पहले भी मैंने एक गुजराती फिल्म की थी, तो I remember telling people कि मैं गुजराती फिल्म कर रही हूँ. People like, गुजराती फिल्म, really? I mean, who's gonna watch? And उस point से लेके आज अभी ये है कि नेशनल अवार्ड जीते ये गुजराती फिल्म, and अब वेब शोज आ रहे हैं, अपना अलग प्लेटफॉर्म आने लगे हैं. So गुजराती सिनेमा has evolved. और पहले एक टाइम था कि even newcomers were reluctant to work, and now all the established Gujarati actors in Bollywood have started working in Gujarati cinema, and that's great because regional cinema gives you the freedom to experiment with stories which sometimes mainstream Bollywood does not give you that.
Right.
And which is the power of regional cinema, which is very well established in a lot of other regional cinemas. Marathi does so well, South does so well, Bengali does so well. So I'm just grateful that I came in at a time when a good time of Gujarati cinema started, so I got to work there, and so I get best of both the worlds, Gujarati as well as.
I have started watching Gujarati cinema after Chello Divas. After that I have.
Are you a?
Yes, I am a Gujarati. So I have
you are a Gujarati? Okay.
Yeah. So Chello Divas I have seen. After that I have seen all the films like Shu Thayu and all the films.
Okay.
So.
Did you watch Wrong Side Raju?
Yeah. The Pratik Gandhi film.
Pratik Gandhi, yeah.
Wow. And what do you want to say about the Pratik Gandhi's graph went up after Scam 1992? Are you feel proud after watching the series?
Very proud. I am so proud of him because see, you have to also understand scam. See, वही होता है. आपका कोई ऐसा show आता है and लोगों को लगता है this is overnight success. This is not overnight success.
Right.
Pratik Gandhi has been in this field from even before me. He started out with theatre, he was doing, and then he did his Gujarati cinema journey started with Beyar, which was my film also, and that was his first proper Gujarati film. And at that time, he used to be a full-time engineer, उनका job था, and वो छुट्टी लेके आए थे job से Beyar करने के लिए, and we remember उनके पास laptop हुआ करता था, जब पैकअप होता था तो वो जाके थोड़ा सा उनको काम का करना पड़ता था, तो मैंने उनकी वो जर्नी देखी है. And at that time I used to look at him and I'm like, बाबा ये कैसे मैनेज करे? He has family in Mumbai, जॉब अभी भी चल रही है, and then he's come to shoot. उस पॉइंट से लेकर उसके भी पहले वो थिएटर कर रहे थे, तो वो जर्नी तो मैंने देखी भी नहीं. तो सालों का थिएटर, फिर गुजराती सिनेमा, and then he got a lot of success there, which was great for him. तो वो फिर भी mainstream हिंदी में नहीं आ रहा था, and then that to reaching, and then he's done a couple of Bollywood films, but then he was not the main role in them. And from that to come to Scam, I mean, what a journey, what a show. Proud for everything he's done, and the hard work and the never say die attitude. मतलब उस समय Beyar के time में I used to see him, he was very good at that time also, but he kept at it. He didn't give it up. Like, it's very easy to give up in our profession.
Right.
And see, if you don't give up, you can reach. And he's a very good example of that. So very, very proud of him.
Wow. Lastly, any message you would like to give to audience who are watching you?
get vaccinated. I'm sorry, this is nothing to do with my show,
Right.
but I think our life and our health is way more important than everything else. What I do is entertainment, and it's necessary because it helps you get through dark times like these. So that is important. देखिए हमारा show, देखिए हमारा काम देखिए, and remain happy and all of that. But even before that, please be safe, maintain social distancing, wear mask. Corona has not gone away. A third wave might be around the corner. We all need to get vaccinated. Do not take this lightly. We've lost a lot of people,
Right.
and we have to do better as a nation. So yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. आप भी सेफ रहिए और पूरी फैमिली का ध्यान रखिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, bro.